YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Tonight we're reviewing the Amurgo LED 3D printed moon lamp. So the first step to using the Amurgo LED 3D printed moon lamp is to charge it. And we'll be charging it with solar power from the Bioenno Power Pack, which we reviewed in another review. We'll leave a link in the description below to that review. Zach, can you show us how to charge the moon, bud? Go ahead. And it just charges with a normal 12 volt USB. Comes with the supplied adapter, and as you can see, it turns blue when it starts charging. And we're gonna leave that to charge, and then we'll show you how to use it. The moon is fully charged, and you can tell because it does not have the blue light on anymore. Zach's ready for bed, so we're gonna bring the moon up to his bedroom to give him a little moonlight. We're in Zach's bedroom, and as you can see, the LED 3D printed moon also includes a stand. It's a nice wooden stand. It's very easy to put together. It's just two pieces, and they have little pegs that fit in the hole, and it comes out like that. And then you actually have the moon. Alright, so Zach's going to show us how this thing works. It has 3 different lighting modes. So what you do to make the moon start is you actually give it a nice whack. And it does take a little bit of a harder whack than I thought, but it does work. Zach, show us the first one, bud. Hold it up, please. And that is the regular, normal moonlight. It's kind of a whitish light. You can actually see the details of the moon, which you cannot... Oh, there you go. Once it focuses. So it has all the little details of the moon that you can see. And that is a regular white full moon. Alright, Zach, show us the second one, bud. And if you notice, it's kind of like a harvest moon. Has an orange color, but again, you can see the texture of the moon with the amber light of the moon. So that's pretty cool. Then it has one more lighting mode. Zach, hit one more time. And this is more of a moon glow. It's a little bit less white. It's more of an, I want to say, an opaque color, but as you can see, once it focuses, you have all the details of the moon, and that's from the 3D printing. We actually saw the moon in real life, didn't we, Zach? Right, because we actually used the SV Bony Beginner Telescope. We did a review on that a couple months ago. If you want to see that review, please look for a link in the description below. It'll show you real pictures of the moon. And finally, to turn it off, Zach, what do?
I'll slap it.
Alright, slap it one more time. And that's it. That's how you turn off the moon. And that's how it operates. As a nightlight, it does an excellent job. Again, this is a little blurry. You can see the details of the moon from a distance. It's just that the light on the camera is making it look blurry. But this would be the regular full white moon. This is what it would look like as a amber moon as a nightlight. And then finally, as a nightlight, they have the white opaque-ish type color. This makes it look like more like the real moon, if you ask me. But that's what it looks like when it's in the dark. So the Amurgo LED 3D printed moon lamp is an excellent buy. It's really, really cheap for what you got. They have 2 different sizes, by the way. This is the bigger 5.9 inch size. They also have a 3.14 inch size if you're looking for something smaller. 3 different light styles makes it a great, great way of lighting this moon. Things I'd like to see, though, is I'd like to see some type of dimming switch. It's definitely not taking away from the actual lamp itself, but it would be nice to have a dimming feature for bringing the brightness down. Other than that, it's an excellent product. If you'd like to purchase your Amurgo LED 3D printed moon lamp, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. Thank you for everything you do for us, and as always, have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.